VICR, stock analysis next week, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Vicor Corporation, $63.59. Actually, such a expansion, like extending up. It's beautiful. Now, it's a bullish range and I'm still looking to double down, but how would I do that? Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of correct predictions up on my YouTube channel for free. So specifically looking at VICR, let me come here. Yeah, I'm just gonna mark up this shift. Have this. Therefore, now I'm only really gonna buy if I see a little pullback, just a little tiny itty bitty double break, and then I'll buy. If that happens, sick. If it doesn't happen, I guess it's all sick. Like all I'll keep doing though in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.